We'll wait for a couple more seconds and then start off with the show. Please stay tuned. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Okay, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity's Sunday Live. So today it is going to be exclusive Kanjivaram silk sarees, all in the price range of 7,000 and it goes up to 9,000. People who would like to buy these sarees, there will be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Once the live session is done, the link will be active. Please click on the link to look at all the sarees that we showcase in today's video. You can also log on to www.shoeseternity.com. Under live sarees, you'll find a tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all the live sarees that we showcase today. Let's get on to the show. So before we start, I would like to tell you about the saree that I am wearing. This is a very unusual combination. It's a maroon with red combination. It's got beautiful floral jari woven buttas all over the body, a very pretty floral border. Comes with a red color pallu and a plain red blouse. So I have matched it with a nice blue colored hand embroidered blouse. So the price of the blouse is 5,800 for the work, and the base material and stitching is separate. The price of the saree is 7,950. So with that, we'll get on to the show. First, we have a peacock blue with pink combination.
This is saree number 1. Price at 7,980, 7,980.
So it's got a beautiful peacock jari woven butta all over the body. The upper portion of the saree has a smaller border. The lower half of the saree has a pretty bigger border. It's got a nice peacock borders on either sides of the saree. A beautiful pink colored paisley bottad pallu and a plain pink color blouse. Very pretty color combination, a peacock blue with pink.
Saree number 1 priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 2, priced at 7,980.
This is a beautiful green with a double shaded green pallu, a very pretty parrot green. The whole of the body has leaf jari woven buttas in both gold and silver. A very pretty floral border on either side. So we've got very pretty colors this time in Kanjivarams. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful double shaded pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 2, priced at 7,980, 7,980.
Next we have a deep purple.
Saree number 3, priced at 7,980.
This is a self-colored saree with a dull gold jari woven border on either sides of the saree. Very pretty woven jari buttas all over the body, which has got nice manga floral butta. It's a very pretty color. A beautiful jari pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse. So you can match the single tone saree with something similar to what I am wearing. It'll look very pretty.
Yeah, saree number 3 priced at 7,980. Up next is saree number 4, priced at 7,980.
It's a very pretty green with purple combination. Beautiful jari woven floral buttas all over the body. Woven borders on either sides in a double shaded purple. A very pretty double shaded purple colored pallu and a double shaded purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 4, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 5, priced at 7,950.
This is a light orange with a pink combination. Beautiful silver color jari woven border on either sides with manga buttas all over the body. Beautifully woven borders. Very pretty jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse. Very different color combination with silver jari.
Yeah, this is sari number 5, priced at 7,950. Moving on to sari number 6, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
A beautiful double shaded green, a self-colored sari with a very pretty woven border, floral border on either side. The whole body has beautiful manga jari woven butta. So all over the body and the borders you have a dull gold jari woven pattern, a very pretty jari pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 6, priced at 7,980. 7,980. Moving on to sari number 7, priced at 7,980. 7,980, sari number 7.
This is a bottle green with maroon combination. The whole body has jhumka patterns. A very pretty floral jari woven maroon color border on either side of the sari. Very classy color combination. Beautiful paisley designed pallu, fully jari woven, and a plain maroon color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 7, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 8, priced at 7,980.
We have a magenta with pink combination. Very pretty floral buttas all over. With a peachish pink color jari woven border on either sides. The whole body has a combination of both silver and gold jari woven butta all over. A very pretty peachish pink color jari pallu in fully jari woven and a peachish pink color blouse.
Yeah, sari number 8, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 9, priced at 7,980. 7,980, sari number 9.
This is a dark navy blue with purple combination. Very pretty floral buttas all over. Very traditional floral border on either side of the sari. It's a very rich color. A beautiful pallu in purple and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 9, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 10, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
This is a beautiful black with maroon combination. Very pretty floral buttas all over with woven borders. That's going to be the whole body. A beautiful jari pallu in maroon and a plain maroon color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 10, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 11, priced at 7,950. 7,950, sari number 11.
This is a beautiful light peach with an onion pink combination. It's a very classy, subtle combination. The whole body has round jari woven floral buttas, big and smaller buttas. Very pretty woven borders on either sides. And an onion pink color jari pallu and a plain onion pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 11, priced at 7,950.
Next we have an orange with pink.
Moving on to sari number 12, priced at 7,980.
This is an iron butta concept. Beautifully jari woven buttas all over the body with very pretty floral buttas in the borders with along with manga buttas in it. A beautiful floral and manga butta border. A very classy checkered pallu with floral buttas and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 12, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 13, priced at 7,980.
A bottle green with maroon. Very traditional and a beautiful color combination. Floral buttas all over. Very pretty woven borders on either sides. A jari pallu in a double shaded maroon and a plain maroon color blouse. It's actually a brick maroonish combination.
Sari number 13, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 14, Priced at 7,980.
This is a grey with a light lime yellow combination, very different color combination. The whole body has beautiful jari woven silver buttas, floral buttas, woven borders on either sides. Very pretty double shaded jari woven lime yellow colored pallu and a plain lime yellow color blouse. Very different and a classy color combination.
Yeah, this is sari number 14, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 15, priced at 6,880.
Self colored sari. A very pretty deep navy blue with woven jari borders on either side of the sari. The whole body has beautiful floral jari woven buttas. A very classy jari woven pallu and a fully jari woven blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 15, priced at 6,880. Moving on to sari number 16, priced at 7,980.
A mustard with orange combination. Beautiful floral patterns all over. Woven jari borders on either sides. That's going to be the whole body. A double shaded orange colored pallu, fully jari woven, and a plain orange color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 16, priced at 7,980.
Next we have a black with mustard.
Yeah, sari number 17, priced at 7,980.
Very pretty jari woven floral buttas all over with mustard color borders on either sides. The upper portion of the sari has a plain jari woven border. The lower half of the sari has beautiful manga buttas, a floral pallu in mustard and a plain mustard color blouse.
Sari number 17, priced at 7,980. Up next is sari number 18, priced at 7,950.
A beige with pink combination. Very pretty woven border in the upper portion. The whole body has tiny floral jari woven buttas. The lower half of the sari has very pretty floral borders. Beautiful jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 18, priced at 7,950.
Very similar to what I am wearing. This is a beautiful maroon with pink combination.
Yeah, sari number 19, priced at 7,980.
That's going to be the whole body. Very pretty woven borders on either side of the sari. Beautifully woven buttas all over. A pink color jari woven pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 19, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 20, priced at 7,980. 7,980.
This is a peacock blue with purple combination. Floral buttas all over. Beautiful woven borders on either sides. Very pretty floral border on either sides. So that's going to be the whole body. A double shaded purple colored pallu with nice embossed floral patterns and a plain purple color blouse.
Yeah, this is sari number 20, priced at 7,980. Yeah, moving on to sari number 21, priced at 7,980.
A very pretty red with pink. Beautiful woven borders on either sides. Very pretty floral patterns all over with both gold and silver jari. Beautifully woven jari pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this might look like orange in the beginning, but it's actually a nice red. Sari number 21, priced at 7,980. Moving on to sari number 22, priced at 8,450.
This is a beautiful green and a passy green with blue combination. The whole body has a double checkered pattern with very pretty woven jari borders in blue on either sides of the sari. A beautiful pallu in blue and a plain blue color blouse.
Yes, sari number 22, priced at 8,450. Moving on to sari number 23, priced at 7,980.
An orangish pink with purple combination. Very pretty color combination. Beautiful woven border on either sides. The whole body has very pretty floral jari woven buttas. A deep purple color jari woven pallu and a plain purple color blouse.
So saree number 23, priced at 7,980. Up next is saree number 24, priced at 8,950, 8,950.
Beautiful green, a nice sea green with silver zari woven patterns all over and borders. Beautiful thin strip of silver zari border in the upper portion. The whole of the body has beautiful coin zari woven buttas. The lower half of the sari has a 3-strip of border with floral prints, a double shaded lime green colored zari pallu and a plain lime green color blouse. Very classy color combination.
Saree number 24, priced at 8,950. Moving on to saree number 25, priced at 8,650,
Peach
8,650.
with onion pink. Beautiful woven borders on either side of the sari. Very pretty silver color zari woven buttas all over the body. The lower half of the sari and the upper portion has beautiful peacock zari woven buttas. Very pretty onion pink color zari pallu and a plain onion pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 25, priced at 8,650.
Moving on to our soft silk collection.
Yeah, starting with saree number 26, priced at 8,780, 8,780.
This is a beautiful black with copper zari. It's got a very pretty temple jewel pattern in the borders and the whole body has beautiful copper zari woven buttas. A very pretty zari woven pallu with checkered pattern and a plain black color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 25, priced at 8,780. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 8,950, 8,950.
Beautiful light blue with peachish pink combination. Very pretty plain peachish pink color border in the upper portion. The lower half of the sari has beautiful zari woven buttas, as you can see, and the same is continued in the pallu and a plain blouse.
Yeah, saree number 27, priced at 8,950. Moving on to saree number 28, priced at 9,450, 9,450.
Very pretty black with maroon combination. So the upper portion of the sari has a plain zari border with maroon. The whole body has beautiful zari woven and thread woven buttas. The lower half of the sari has a very pretty zari border. Along just below that you have paisley zari woven buttas and a very classy zari pallu and a plain maroon color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 28, priced at 9,450. Moving on to saree number 29, priced at 9,180, 9,180.
Beautiful black with grey combination. Very pretty manga zari woven buttas along with creeper patterns all over. A dull gold zari border on either sides of the sari. Very pretty zari pallu in grey and a plain grey color blouse. Beautiful color combination, a very classy sari.
Yeah, this is saree number 29, priced at 9,180.
Next we have a heavy kanjivaram. It's a bridal kanjivaram. Bridal kanjivaram soft silk sari. It's a beautiful light peach
Yeah, this is saree number 30, priced at 13,650.
with very pretty checkered patterns, which has got chakra and peacock buttas, and it's got a woven kanchi border on either side of the sari. A beautiful pallu, fully woven zari woven pallu, and a plain peach color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 30, priced at 13,650. The last saree for the session, the deal of the day saree. Actual price is 7,980 and the deal price is 5,980, 5,980.
This is a very pretty elachi green with silver zari woven patterns all over and silver zari woven borders. Beautiful leaf patterns all over the body along with the self diamond checkered pattern. Beautiful zari woven pallu and a plain green color blouse.
Saree number 31, priced at 5,980.
So that is it for today's session. People who would like to buy the sarees, there will be a link that will be present in the comment section. Please click on the link. Now the link will be active with all the sarees that I showcased in the video. Please go ahead with your purchase, and if you'd like to get stitching and embroidery done, please go ahead with your purchase. Fill in the Google form with your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always ping us in our WhatsApp number. People in Chennai, don't forget to drop into our store, which is at Mahalingapuram. We're very close to Lola College, just behind Lal Chandra Hospital. That is it for today's video. We'll catch you with our next interesting live session on Wednesday. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.